Hi Virgo, welcome to my channel. This is a general tarot reading for the month of April. This month is really important because we have a full moon on the 28th of March. This moon is basically about emotions, relationships, bringing out the best in relationships, and if not, letting them go. So, this will heighten the emotions. Let's see how the month goes for you. If you like what I do, to subscribe to my channel, I'll really appreciate it. So, I feel this Queen of Pentacles is your energy, irrespective of the if male or female. I feel somebody will come with an offer which isn't too fulfilling for you. Let me clarify this Knight of Cups for you. Let me clarify this Knight of Cups for you. Yeah, so you feel it's not good because you have options. You've already probably seen this scenario in your head, or you. Sorry for my dog. Well, he likes to talk when I talk. So, I feel that you are not taking this offer because you feel I've been here, I've done this before, I've already seen this scenario in my head. Um, so that's I think let me clarify. The Three of Cups. Sorry, the Four of Cups. Let me clarify the Four of Cups for you. Okay. Well, let me also clarify the Queen of Pentacles. Let me see if you will be making the right decision. So I feel, uh, you're, yes, you do have options. Um, you're right, you do have options, but I feel that this particular offer that you will be getting, see, it's got Knight of Pentacles and Knight of Cup. You'll feel it's too immature, right? So you will probably behave like a bigger person, and you will not want to take this offer because you again feel that you're better off in a better off situation than this. But I feel that you will be getting communications, and this is Cup of Love. This is something that it'll, I think, attract your eyes, attract you, or attract your heart. This is a King of Wand energy that I think it's the Knight energy, like I said before, that you feel that you've already seen this too much. Let me clarify this Knight of Wands, the King of Wands for you. Is the King of Wands the one that comes and offers? Ace of Cups. Yeah. So, I feel that you will find this person is not somebody like you. With this offer you felt that, oh, I've seen it all, this is something I've done on before, this is, tell me something new, sort of a thing. But this something, you'll find this very stubborn, very full of themselves sort of an energy. But they have their own way of showing. Maybe they will take you out. Maybe they will have a different effect on you. I feel there will be a lot of communication. There will be a lot of, but it will be too blunt a communication from this person, which you haven't experienced before. Now I say that if you haven't, if not necessarily this thing will be good for you. Though there is a Sun card, but Sun card for me is shedding light on the truth. So, if you feel that, oh my God, this person is so sassy, it's not something that I have seen before because I've seen immature people before and I don't want that. Not necessarily this is a good thing. Let me see what I mean to say is that if something is different doesn't mean it's necessarily good, either bad too. It's up to you to decide. But I feel you have a lot of options this month, Virgo. But I feel nothing excites you too much. That's what I feel. You feel that, oh my God, I've achieved so much, I've seen everything. Show me something which I've not seen. And when you see something which you have not seen, you will quickly it'll quickly attract you. It'll quickly, oops, my cards were just falling. Let's see. the devil, the fool, and the sun again. So this connection will turn out to be very passionate and something which could work for you is what I feel here, Virgo. There is a passion. This could be toxic because I think this could be toxic. So be careful is what I say. Let us see what the message from the universe has for you. Not necessarily, but see, the devil card is very clear, and I was not very sure of the whole package here. That's why I told you that not necessarily it is good for you, Virgo. But the sun card twice is that you will know what to do ultimately. Yeah. Let us see. So, like I told you, you will know because the sun card has turned up twice. You might not know now, but you will who loves you and who doesn't love you. You know, this is the first card, and the karma is on your side. So, even if you're not able to decide, you will be able to decide. This card is the karma card. It says the universe got your back. This card says if no two flowers are the same, yet all beautiful in their own way. So maybe it's an indication, Virgo, that this is something which is you thought that I've never seen this kind of a person. I've never seen such a blunt, sassy person. I've seen, before. Or if the offer that you feel, see, I'm leaving everything on the table. I'm no one to decide for you. You need to decide. So universe is saying, even if you see if this offer that has been offered to you first, if you see, oh, I've seen it looks very similar to what I've already experienced. Then universe says no two flowers are the same yet all beautiful in their own way. That no two people are the same. They could talk in a similar way. They could be very eerie similarity, but no, this person isn't the same that you're thinking that, oh, I've seen this before, or I've, doesn't excite me anymore. Every experience is a new experience, is what the universe is telling you. Let us take some some more cards from the universe from a different deck. It says, I chose love no matter what. My fearless freedom lights up the world. I am a spirit having a human experience. I am here to get closer to love. So, I feel, I think you might also, the universe is also taking you to the person was different because it's asking you to be fearless in this. It's saying that be fearless in choosing love. You're here. In any case, it's an experience. We are souls having a human experience. This is what we are here for. Um, but you have a lot going on this month, is what I feel. Lot going on. Lot of passion, lot of hard work, lot of work, wise. So whatever you do, Virgo, be wise in choosing. I feel this is my gut feeling telling you, and this is the final card telling you, be wise in choosing love, in choosing between people. Similarity might repel you. Opposites attract, but yet be wise. Take consideration of all the sides and then choose what you are choosing this month, is what the advice is for you. Do subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. We'll meet next month. Bye bye.